Hi, Frank DiTomaso here, and welcome to this month's housing market update. The real estate market, as we all know, has been red hot all year. However, we are beginning to see a slight change in market conditions. Since the beginning of this year, we've seen a steady increase in inventory each month right to now. So you might ask yourself, what does that mean if I'm looking to buy now or if I decide to sell? Well, the number of homes for sale is very much an important factor in today's market. Inventory levels are still near historic lows, but there are indications that we may have hit the lowest point we'll see. Odetta Cushy, Deputy Chief Economist at First American, recently said this of our supply challenges. Looks like inventory may have hit a bottom. We've seen this in the higher frequency data as well. Unsold inventory in May was at 2.5 months supply, up from 2.4. To put it into perspective, this graph shows the levels of inventory rising since the beginning of the year. We're still not close to a balanced market, which would be a 6-month supply of homes for sale. However, we are seeing a slow but steady increase in homes coming up for sale. And that leaves many buyers and sellers asking the same question: what does that mean for me? Well, for buyers, more inventory coming to the market is a welcoming sight. More supply means more options and less competition, which could mean fewer bidding wars. According to the latest monthly housing market trends report, supply levels are continuing to increase, which is different from the typical summer market. Here's what it said. In June, newly listed homes grew by 5.5% on a year-over-year basis, and by 10.9% on a month-over-month basis. Typically, fewer newly listed homes appear on the market in the month of June compared to May. This year, growth in new listings is continuing later into the summer, which is a welcome sight for a tight housing market. Now for sellers, if you've been putting off selling your house, you probably shouldn't wait much longer. This year's month-over-month gains in homes for sales have helped buyers, but we're still very much in the seller's market. As this graph shows, even with the number of homes for sale rising, we're still well below the supply levels we've seen historically. As you can see, as of today we're at 2.5 months supply as compared to 2010, when inventory was at its highest level at 12.5 months. But of course, more homes are coming to the market now, and more are expected in the coming months. So selling your house this summer will give you a better chance to get ahead of the competition and maximize your sales potential before more homes are put up for sale in your neighborhood. So the bottom line is this. For buyers, more homes for sale means more options, and it will create more competition for sellers. For sellers, this may be the best time to sell while inventory levels are still relatively low. But as a word of caution, these low levels will not last, as interest rates are expected to rise and inventory levels continue to climb. If you would like to discuss your real estate buying or selling needs, give us a call today or visit us on the web. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.